Welcome to the Realistic Viewer channel. First of all, thanks to the first 100 subscribers that actually sub to the channel. I will continue to make new content on a weekly basis, but today I'm going to show you how to get your custom URL on your channel. And if you don't want to wait, there's another alternative to do as well, and I'll show you in this video. So the first thing that you do is you go to channel, then you're at status and features, scroll down and go to custom URL. Then if you already have 100 subscribers, you can claim a custom URL, and that's what we're going to do right now. So we claim it. Then we are at the advanced panel, and now let's change the URL. You'll get a couple of custom options, and I'm going to go for the realistic viewer as it is right now. Then terms of services, if you want to use it. You can only claim one option. No custom URL can be sold, and they can also remove it in case you want to edit it out. So we're back again. Let's claim it. I've read it, and let's change the URL. Then you get a second confirmation. We press it again, and now we can go to YouTube through youtube.com/therealisticviewer. Now let's go into the second option. Option number 2 is to create a Google Plus profile, and then afterwards create your custom URL. So there are a couple of options that you should do to actually get that custom URL, which is have at least 10 followers. Your account should be at least 30 days old. Your profile should have a profile picture, and your account should be in good standing, which means that you don't spam or do anything negative on the social media. Afterwards, when you get that custom URL, create a YouTube account or merge your YouTube account with that Google Plus account, and then you will get a custom link on your channel. Hope the video was helpful. If it did, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe. To the 100 subscribers, thank you again, and I hope to help you more with new videos. This is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more.